In the meantime, a Fullerton surgeon is using Zoom to teach Ukrainian doctors how to deal with injuries until 4 weeks ago they would rarely have treated, such as bullet wounds and blast injuries. Orange County reporter Jessica DeNova has more on the former Navy corpsman with a wealth of combat surgery experience.
Though Captain Donald Bittner retired from the U.S. military nearly 3 years ago, his work to aid soldiers wounded in battle continues, this time by preparing surgeons in Ukraine. The request coming from the American Association of Hand Surgery.
We're all one large community all over the whole world. That's what binds us all together, is we're all physicians. We all took the same oath.
Dr. Bittner is an orthopedic hand surgeon at Providence St. Jude Medical Center. Before this, he served as an orthopedic trauma surgeon for the Navy in Afghanistan in 2010, operating on more than 250 injured military members, children, and Taliban. Traumatic losses, helping the enemy while surrounded by firearms and blast techniques to save life and limb, communication with doctors from around the world, lessons learned he'll pass on alongside a colleague in San Diego. On the other end of the Zoom presentation Saturday, at least 75 Ukrainian doctors in the middle of war.
Some of these surgeons in the Ukraine were actually treating people in basements and even in their own homes, because some of these hospitals have been occupied by Russian soldiers.
The psychological trauma it all carries needs care too. Dr. Bittner knows the best outlet is to talk about it immediately with those surviving the journey by your side.
That lesson was taught to me after my first day there. I was in the locker room cleaning up and I was just covered with blood, and one of the other doctors looked at me and he said, "Do you want to talk about this?" He could see it in my face, and I basically said, "No, I'm fine." And he said, "Let me tell you something. If you don't talk about it now, you never will."
Providence St. Jude Medical Center is also looking to help Ukraine through the donation of medical equipment. Reporting in Fullerton, Jessica DeNova, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.